Hi there and welcome to all. In this video, I'm going to explain about Proceum e-learning platform features and its contents for the second year of MBBS. So here, the Proceum introduces a revolutionary learning management system tailored to meet the exact requirements of the competency-based medical education curriculum proposed at 2024, which is prescribed by the National Medical Commission. So this Proceum platform is designed to provide medical students and educators with the most advanced tools and resources, ensuring success in today's competitive and ever-evolving healthcare landscape. So whether you are a student preparing for the academic excellence or an educator looking for innovative teaching aids, Proceum serves as an ideal partner to redefine learning and teaching in medical education. So you might be thinking, why Proceum is the ultimate choice? So one thing I want to make it very clear here, that the Proceum is the only platform offering content that is fully aligned with the latest CBME curriculum. So it is not just about learning, it's about transforming the way students understand, retain and apply the medical knowledge. So the second year of MBBS under the CBME curriculum focuses on three vital subjects: Pathology, Pharmacology and Microbiology. So these subjects form the foundation for understanding diseases, treatment options and the role of microorganisms in health and disease. So if you see the current CBME curriculum, Pathology includes 35 topics and has 182 competences, and Pharmacology consists of 10 topics with 92 competences, and Microbiology covers 11 topics with 74 competences. So in total, phase 2 comprises 348 competences designed to provide students with an integrated understanding of disease process, pharmacological interventions and microbial factors. So for the CBME curriculum, especially for the second year students, what Proceum is providing and what Proceum content or library is all about. So especially to complement the current CBME framework, Proceum offers a vast and detailed content repository that ensures students are well equipped with all the tools they needed for academic and clinical success. So specifically for the second year of MBBS students, as per the CBME curriculum, we have around 1321 animated videos, and along with these video lectures, we have around 873 detailed lecture notes, and for all the important topics, we have high-yield notes for revision. So not only the lecture notes, for every topic, we have the multiple choice questions. So in total, for the second year of MBBS, we have 3,146 multiple choice questions. And not only the multiple choice questions, CBME curriculum and the national exit test demand the case-based learning like USMLE format. Therefore, we have added all the cases for each and every topic. So completely for the second year of MBBS covering pathology, pharmacology and microbiology, we have around 1600 case-based scenarios. This is what is all the repository about what Proceum is providing for the second year of MBBS as per the CBME curriculum. So now, how Proceum enhances your learning journey? So remember guys, Proceum is not just another educational platform. It is a well-structured approach designed to ensure success for all of you. So the learning journey actually begins by watching the animated video lectures first, where the complex topics are broken down into simple, visually engaging formats to help you to grasp the fundamentals effortlessly. So once the foundational concepts are much clear, students can move towards a detailed lecture notes which is tagged for every video. And these notes are designed to reinforce understanding, providing in-depth coverage of every topic and solidify the knowledge gained through the videos. And also, to further test and strengthen your knowledge, Proceum offers a topic-specific multiple choice questions where nobody are providing this. So with immediate feedback and detailed explanation for each answer, These MCQs not only help you to assess your learning but also provide insights to the areas where most questions are framed and aligning your preparation with the postgraduate entrance exams like National Exit Test and USMLE or NEET PG or maybe FMG. So finally, after finishing MCQs, Proceum integrates learning with the case-based scenarios. So by applying the theoretical knowledge to the real-world clinical situations, students can develop critical reasoning skills, understanding patient care better, and think like a physician from the first day of the med school itself. So this structured and integrated approach ensures a comprehensive and effective learning experience. So now, the Proceum CBME aligned approach is perfectly designed to ensure students achieve academic and professional excellence by mastering the concepts early and efficiently through the structured as well as the interactive content. So the students in this platform can build a solid foundation that supports their long-term learning goals. So the integration of case-based scenarios bridges a gap between the theoretical knowledge and the practical application, equipping learners with the ability to think critically and act decisively just like skilled physicians. Moreover, Proceum's focus on exam readiness ensures that students are well prepared for the postgraduate entrance exams such as National Exit Test, NEET PG and USMLE right from the beginning of their medical education journey. This comprehensive and future-focused approach enables our students to confidently meet the demands of their academic and clinical careers. So the CBME curriculum aims to develop skills and knowledge to think like a physician. So Proceum bridges the gap between the traditional teaching and clinical practice by integrating lecture-based learning with the real-world applications. So this approach empowers the students to understand how foundational knowledge translates to patient care. Access the world-class medical education content designed to support your journey to success. With Proceum, everything you need is just a click away. Visit www.proceum.com or download the Proceum app today and start exploring new standard of medical education. Proceum is where the future doctors begin their journey. Thank you.